Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a brief look at the Bitcoin because the situation here hasn't changed significantly. So market is still calling around the previous top. And yesterday we talked about the more extended upward target because market shows strength. It has broken major resistance and shows no reaction on the strong patterns that actually has been formed. So the three drive pattern and regardless triple to sell with the XOP ABCD pattern. So if you remember, we have talked about it. So this is large regardless triple to sell. So this initial drop ABCD retracement with the XOP at 56 even area that creates an agreement with the major 618 resistance of this most recent swing. So the fact that market hasn't shown any meaningful retracement, even 30% retracement has not been done here, that gives us the rights to suggest on a further upward continuation. So it just shows the market has some inner strength, and that should be somehow realized on the price action. The same story about our regardless triple to sell was that 58.40 could become the point where market could show a retracement. So we have called for attention to this point and do not take a long position right at this moment. Once the downward action indeed has started, mine reaction has started, but it was indeed very shy. And after that, upward action has been continued. So now market is calling around this area, and next target that we see on the market stands at the 65 even. So this 64-65 area, this is strong weekly confluence resistance. Next destination point. Market is not at ever bad. There's no fib levels in this area, so market has relatively free space here. But it is crucial for a market to hold tight around the previous top. It should not show very deep retracement here to the downside. It should not start to realize reaction on the regardless triple to sell because currently it shows the acceleration already. So take a look at what we have on the follow time frame chart. I recall that we have talked about this consolidation and that market stands inside of the channel. And recently, market just has shown the acceleration attempt to abandon this channel and shows the rally. And we said that, well, market could show some minor pullback, but it should stand above the consolidation area. And right now, that's precisely what we see. So take a look. Acceleration attempt of the breakout has followed. Market now shows minor retracement back to the so-called diamond pattern, something of that sort. But it stands above the consolidation, so it stands tightly in the upper part of the channel, and this keeps overall context bullish. So normally, if market indeed is bullish, it should show the further upward continuation here. Once it will start dropping and drop below the lows of this consolidation, when, well, in this case, we will be watching as the next target the support of the channel. It's 52.85 approximately. That's two destination points that we will keep an eye on. So depending on your view on the market, so you could keep an eye on some patterns here with attempt to call long while market stands somewhere above these lows inside of this consolidation. It's a chance to continue upward action. So for taking long position, you probably need to drop your time frame even more. So somewhere to maybe even hourly chart or even lower, or taking some position on some bullish continuation patterns and some retracement. This is hourly chart, guys. So for the bears, if you would like to take a short, you need to see the clear signs for weakness of the market. So in this, it probably will happen only if market will break this consolidation down and drops below these lows around 45.40 area somewhere. While it stands above it, it keeps bullish sentiment, keeps overall bullish context. So that's actually what we see on the market. Unfortunately, currently on the intraday charts, we would not see some clear patterns. We could speak only on the background of some important levels and overall price behavior. So until market stands above this consolidation, it keeps bullish sign, bullish sentiment. The breakout below this suggests that we were going to the lower border of the channel. No some clear patterns currently stands on the market, so means that today, tomorrow, we just need to see some patterns maybe on lower time frames for position taken.